I am the meteorite. Don't take me for a ride, 'cause I then turn into a meteor. Ha!
Hi guys! I am Sardan Taghap
And I am Jasmin Taghap Ry-Ann.
and today we're going to perform a simple science experiment entitled
Crater and Meteorite.
Craters resembles the surfaces in the moon. Now, in our activity, we're going to determine how craters are formed and why are they in their different sizes.
I pass through the atmosphere of the earth, no don't get scared, 'cause I then turn into a meteorite. That's right! Ha ha!
At the end of the activity, we will be able to answer the following questions.
Here are the materials and equipment that we need in this activity. Different kind and sizes of spherical objects. These spherical objects will serve as our meteorites. A flour, cacao powder, flour sifter, ruler, graphing paper, laboratory notebook,
Tape measure.
and basin. In your lab notebook, make a data table like this. Be sure to include the types of objects that you will be testing. Using a tape measure, get the circumference of each of your nearly spherical objects, and to get the diameter of each spherical object given its circumference, use the formula d is equal to c over pi, in which c is the circumference and pi is equal to 3.14. In preparing your meteorite landing area, slowly pour a 1 kilogram bag of flour into the basin. Shift the basin from side to side to evenly distribute the flour. The flour should be a depth of at least 5 cm in your basin. If there is not enough flour, you can either transfer the flour to a smaller basin or add another bag of flour. Use a sifter or sieve to add a thin layer of cocoa powder. Now, drop one of your meteorites into the basin by holding the object out at arm's length over the basin and letting go. Use the ruler to make sure you drop the meteorite from a height of 50 cm above the floor. After the meteorite impacts the floor, carefully remove the object without disturbing the crater left behind. Repeat step 4 to 5 2 more times using the same object, each time in a different spot in the box. Remember to drop the meteorite the same way and from the same height each time for accurate results. You should now have 3 craters made by the first object. Measure the diameter of the first crater by measuring the distance across the center of the depression in the floor. Be very careful not to disturb the floor and cocoa with your ruler by breathing too hard or by shaking the box. And write the diameter of the first crater in the data table in your laboratory notebook. The other 2 craters and write each measurement in the data table. Then again, prepare the landing area for the other 2 different kind and sizes of spherical objects. And repeat the procedure from dropping the object 50 cm above the floor until on the procedure of measuring its crater's diameter.
Laboratory data.
Now, let us answer the questions that Miss Jasmine mentioned a while ago.
What size craters did the smallest objects make?
The smallest spherical object's crater size is 5.67 centimeters.
What size craters did the biggest objects make?
The biggest spherical object's crater size is 12.17 centimeters.
Do you notice any pattern between the size of the crater and the size of the meteorite?
We notice that the diameter of the craters are greater than the diameter of the meteorite.
What do you think your results tell you about how the diameter of a meteorite is related to the diameter of the crater it makes upon impact?
The higher the diameter of meteorite, the higher its crater's diameter. Therefore, the diameter of the crater formed is directly proportional to the diameter of the meteorite.
That's the end of our activity. We hope that you have learned a lot about craters and meteorites. Thank you for watching!